Hey, this game is called KABOOM. It can be played with any learning objective that your child is working on at the moment, but we are going to be using multiplication because that's what we're working on at the moment. So all I've done is written a whole bunch of multiplication facts onto some pop sticks all the way from 2s to 10 times tables. And then on some of the pop sticks I have written the word KABOOM because it's called KABOOM. So what you do, taking turns in a group, it can be 2 people all the way up to as many people as you want to. It doesn't matter how many people you are playing with. You take it in turns to draw out a stick from the cup and read out the problem. This is 5 times 2. You have to work out how to solve the problem. You might know it in your head because it's a multiplication problem that you have been working on, practicing as your fast facts, or it might be one that you need to solve. So 2 times 5 I know because I know how to skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So I get to keep this stick. And then it would be the next person's turn, and when it comes back to me, I'll choose another one. 6 times 10. Again, I can skip count by tens. I can solve this by skip counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 10 times 6 is 60. So I've solved that one. I get to keep this one. Goes around, everyone takes a stick out again and solves it. If you're not sure what it is, another person in your group might correct you. Maybe I've said 6 times 10 is 50. Someone else might correct me if I don't get it right. That's not the point of the game. You want to just support the rest of the people in your group to get it right, and then they get to keep it once everyone has helped them to solve the problem. When it comes back to my turn, this time I take a stick out and it says KABOOM. This is the stick that you don't want to pull. If you get this one, you have to put all of the ones that you have kept back into the cup and you go back down to 0. So the aim of the game is to try and collect as many sticks as you can without getting a KABOOM and having to put them all back in. So unfortunately, KABOOM, I have to put them all back in and start again. When it comes around to my turn again, I might pull a stick that I don't know how to solve. 6 times 6. I don't know how to skip count by 6s. I don't know my 6 times tables off by heart. In that case, I would use a strategy to help me solve this one. So the ones that we've been working on are equal groups or an array. So I'm going to choose equal groups for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups, and each group is going to have 6 dots in it, or 6 somethings in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So that would be how I would solve a problem that I wasn't sure of at the start. I could have used an array strategy as well. Remember, the aim of the game is not to be the fastest, and it's not to say no if you've got the problem wrong. The aim of the game is to solve as many as you can using whatever strategies you need to, and using the people in your group to support you as well.